Hi, folks. It's April 24th, 2020, and I prepared this about an hour back. It's an important update for Bitcoin and its potential price explosion, most likely starting tomorrow, April 25th, 2020. Um, Here's one of my proprietary models, and in essence, it's trying to determine the pivot points or make or break points at various levels, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, so on and so forth. So uh, if you look at it, so far it was kind of a mixed signal ever since we had the crash in March of 2020, around about here. And the price has been moving up ever since, but even then it could not really break out, and there's been a lot of churn. However, look at what's happening today on 24th. The seemingly the deck is actually getting cleared, and we're starting to close above January's pivot, which is kind of an annual pivot. Remember when 7162 kind of fell around March 12th, the night of March 11th. It was a free fall from there. So we have successfully reclaimed the annual pivot at 7162.82 and are giving a buy signal at all degrees of waves. So coming over here, I believe the wave count is as such: 1 2 1 2 1 dash 2 dash 1 double dash 2 double dash, which after this breakout of 2 dash puts Bitcoin into 3 degrees of wave threes of threes, and a price explosion typically occurs from this juncture. So the setup is long. The stop loss would be 7260 and 7065, and that just completely depends on your risk tolerance. And but those are kind of the stops. This is not really a scalp trade. So and that's basically a simplistic RSI model. If you map the two together, RSI is way ahead of where Bitcoin should be and is clearly pointing at Bitcoin surpassing 9,000 by end of April. Um, if I were to be completely specific, it seems like we could reach 9,800 to 10,100 at this intersection point, which is April 29th, late April 29th, early April 30th. So that's kind of what the models are saying, and we have the stop losses. So just be careful, especially if you're trying to be short on Bitcoin.